Hello, welcome to Clarity 16.2.3 Feature Supportability Training. I am Santosh Panchali and I'm a product manager of Clarity. In this session, we'll review a new setting on assignments that impacts logging time. So, what's new in this release? A new ability is provided to restrict selective team members to log time against their task assignments based on a new open for time entry flag introduced on the assignment object. And the reason this is important is there are situations where organizations need to allow or restrict selective individuals to log time against their tasks. Prior to this release, when team members are assigned to a task, either all the team members can enter time or none of them could, based on tasks open for time entry flag. There was no way to control only selective individuals to restrict logging time for their assignments on the same task. This feature brings in that capability. Let's see how through a short demonstration. I'm logged into Clarity as Nicole, who is the investment manager for this project, Able Payments module. I'm on the tasks page, and when we look at this task, functional and technical design, we can see that it is generally open for time entry, which means anyone assigned to it will be able to log time. Let's look at its assignments. As you can see, there are 3 team members assigned to it. Now, notice the new attribute open for time entry available and configured on the assignments. This gives us a greater control in case we need to selectively choose individuals that should be allowed to log time and the ones that should not be allowed to. By default, all of them will be able to. Now, for this demonstration, let's disallow Paul from logging time for this particular task. Let's see its impact when Paul tries to log time. I am now logged in as Paul and on the timesheet for this period. When we try to now select tasks to log time, we can see that Paul cannot select the functional and technical design task to log time that is disabled for logging time. In case Paul thinks this is by mistake or would want to request investment manager to open the assignment for logging time, he can do so by selecting this option, Notify Manager. This would have sent a notification to the investment manager with the request. Note that other timesheet functions like copy previous timesheet, add assigned tasks, etc. would not copy or add time entries for tasks assignments that are not open for time entry. Also, note that this functionality works the same way in Classic as well. This concludes the session on the new open for time entry setting on the assignment object. Thank you.